Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Women Over 50 Fitness. So in today's video I thought I would share with you an easy morning routine, and we're going to be doing this literally for 5 minutes. You also can do it in the evening if you like. Nice and gentle, great if you're a beginner or a senior. So first things first, I'm not wearing any shoes, so you want to make sure that your feet and your toes are nice and spread out and placed onto the floor so you've got lots of surface area. Placing our hands onto our tummy and just gently breathe in for 3 and hold that core, that engagement if you like, whilst we're doing the exercises to also protect the back. Rolling our shoulders a few times in a backwards motion and then just set them into place so they're nice and set. And you want to make sure that your back is nice and straight. Just pretend there's a piece of string coming all the way up to the ceiling so you're nice and straight as much as you can. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take one arm here, one hand, and just gently going to come across to the other side, and you should feel a lovely stretch on the obliques, and then come back up, and then on the other side. And we're going to do this 8 times on each side. And if you can do this without actually bending out, so if you really just give a good stretch for 3. And with these exercises, you don't need too much space either. So you can probably do this in your bedroom, in your sitting room. And 3 more times on each side. And one last time on each side here. Great stretch for the side. And then you just want to just take your arms and just twist and looking back, loosening everything up. So now you may want to take a chair or something, or even place your hand onto a shelf, bring our foot forward and just rotate the ankle. We always tend to forget about the feet, and we're just a round circular motion one way and then the other. And then the other leg coming out, just rotate the foot, the ankle one way and then the other. And come back. So now let's do a little bit of leg work. So again, you may want to place your hand onto a chair or a shelf if you need a bit of extra balance. And we're going to come up with our foot, our leg, come back down, and then we're going to come out to the side and then back again. Let's do this 8 times on each side. So coming up for 1, 2, remembering to hold that core, that engagement if you like. This is also great for a balance, particularly as we get older. Really important to have good balance. And 2 more times. 1 and 2. And then on the other leg, making sure the feet are nice and spread out, the toes, so we've got lots of surface area, and then lifting up and then coming out. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and one last time, regaining balance, and 8, and just give it a little shake out. Now we're going to do a gentle squat. So you want to make sure that your feet are nice and in line, back nice and straight, hands out, and just gently come down into a squat and then come back up. And then when you come back up, pressing the glutes in. We do this for 8. 2, 3. Also making sure that your knees do not go over your toes. 4, 5, holding in the core. 6, 7, and one last time. And you don't have to go down, just Go down as far as you can, and you can always build up to that. So then taking our hands now, we're just lifting up and then coming back down. And let's do this for 8, lifting our arms up. We never use half the time have our arms in an upwards motion. 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember to hold that core back nice and straight. And last time. And come down. And again, just roll the shoulders backwards, releasing any tension in the body, and forwards. And then with our head, we're just gently going to breathe in and just look to the side. Come back out, breathe in, and then breathe out and look to the side. Let's just do this a couple of times. Taking deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Obviously, if you have neck issues, you don't want to go too far. And one last time. And then again, just another roll back on the shoulders. Set the shoulders in place. And there we are, a really nice, simple morning, easy routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing for more content, and a thumbs up. It really helps with the algorithm. And please comment down below. Tell me if there's any other yoga or gentle exercises you'd like me to share with you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.